I don't know if it's quarantine or that I'm in this autumn baby mood that I felt like I should do a review. I haven't really used Essence much before, and I have to say that I'm impressed with this palette especially. I didn't know whether the colors were going to be pigmented enough, but what I did initially was I added foundation to my eyes. I added foundation to the lid of my eyes so that when I do apply the eyeshadow, it can stick and I can see how pigmented it really is. And now I just want to show you how pigmented these colors are. This is the amulet. So that's the shimmer, and then the matte. This is Potion. So pigmented. And then the Gloomy, it's also got like a bit of a sheen. It's got a glossy sheen, but it's not really a shimmer. And this is quite dark, Supernatural. This is a nude color, so I'm not too sure how this is gonna look. If you're even gonna see this, because it's basically the same color as my skin. But on my face, because my face is lighter, you can obviously see it in the video as I'm going to be showing you now. Isn't foundation just magic? Look at how this creative glamour foundation is transforming me before your eyes. It's a cream foundation and I'm not concerned with full coverage, so I'm just going over the areas that I think need coverage and where I will be applying pigmented product like eyeshadow and blush. Also, how cute is the palette packaging? The 3D changing makeup shades are so smart and it gives you an idea of looks to create. You can see that Essence really worked hard on this design. The palette has a mix of light and dark shades as well as shimmer and matte colors. So I started off with the neutral, applying from my lid to my brow bone. Then I added amulet to the corners of my eye because for someone with small eyes like mine, bright and shimmer shades really tend to open the eye. Then I applied the plummy color called Potion to the outer corner of my eye, bringing it to the inner corner without blending it onto my lid. I think the palette itself inspired me to go for a more three-dimensional look. Lastly, for some super smoky, mysterious effect, I added the color Gloomy to my lid, which is a sheer navy shade. I also added the eyeshadow to my lower lid to give my eyes more drama. I'm using the Maybelline Kohl eye pencil. I actually just use this eye pencil to shade in my brows, and when I applied this eye pencil to my lower lid, I remembered why. I also applied a liquid liner because the dark contrast really makes the eyeshadow colors pop. I like my brows to look as natural as possible, so I just fill in any gaps I notice. I was clearly jamming to some good music here. I'm using the Clarins bronzing duo, and this bronze is literally at its end, so I didn't even bother showing you what it looks like, but it's lovely. I applied the bronzer in a 3 shape from the temple to the cheek and the jaw. I'm old school like that. Just to enhance my features, no highlighter. Oh, I'm loving the Essence Panda mascara as well. It has a volumizing brush, and the trick to get volume and length when you're using a brush like this is to brush the mascara horizontally over your lashes and then to brush through your lashes from the bottom to the top. Don't mind my dancing. I applied the Clarins Joli Rouge Chestnut color to my lips for more of a nude complement to my dramatic eye. Then I applied the Essence Loose Fixing Powder in the color Nude, and just watch this. From shiny to TV ready. And I usually like a dewy look, but I love that this powder set my makeup without making my foundation look cake on. If you do like this video, please like it so that I know this is the type of content you like to see and that I should be creating more content like this. And also subscribe to my channel so that you're notified the minute I upload a video. And we'll see you in my next video.